Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the Tory Burch Mini Kira Chevron Tweed Tote. Although I'm not entirely sure why this is called a tote because it's definitely a mini bag. So you can see this comes with a top handle bag that is permanent on the bag, it's not removable, as well as a chain that can make this a crossbody. So the chain can disappear into the bag, or it can be worn outside, or you can even double it up and make it a little shorter. Now the bag does have quite some organization. It does have a magnetic close with the Tory emblem on the outside and a beautiful, not too iridescent or too shiny chain strap. It's kind of a little dulled, so it's not going to be too stark. Here are the tags, just so you can locate this item. We found this at Nordstrom, but we didn't actually find it on the Tory site. So do with that what you may. It might be a Nordstrom exclusive, or it might be coming soon to the Tory stores. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.